All right, we're at my local junkyard here. We're getting a power steering hose for my neighbor here. So I'm talking to the camera. We're getting the power steering hose, so let's go ahead and okay. We're getting that. So we got one over here. Okay. Okay, and we just kind of do it like that. Like that. Take it. And this one down here, just pull it. Okay. This one's dry, so we're assuming it's not leaking. His is leaking on the car. So there you go right there. Stop it here. All right, you got that hose. It's a little bit wet because it has some leaking in the bag there. But it was in the previous clip you seen it was completely dry. So we're going to replace this. Then I'm going to take the wheel off. I'm going to pressure wash. Then I'm going to put the serpentine belt on, and we're going to put this on, and we're going to run it for a few days and kind of see what happens, because it's really wet down there. But you'll see when I get the tire off, you'll see. All right, it's Walmart hard here. All right, let's see what we got here. First. Power to me. Plus, this thing only costs like around $80. So there you go. All right, we can see how wet it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash this and get it nice and clean. Look at that belt there. Huh. Man, I'll check some of these pulleys out too when I get the belt off. Alrighty, now I'm gonna pressure wash it. Stop it here. All right, got that off of Amazon, that little swivel piece. Right around $13, I think. See. I'll show you my pressure washer here. There she go. It's a blue clean pressure washer. I added about $200 worth of accessories to it. All right, stop it here. All right, getting ready to take the belt off. Well, one thing I suggest doing is like taking a couple of pictures or make a video of it before you take it off. You know, a couple of times I made that mistake and it kind of cost me. But now he's finna get this off here, and we got to see what's going on here, you know. Okay, wow, look at that belt. So it's gotta be, okay. 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 Okay, let's look at this. It ain't coming on. Okay, look at that. So we gotta try to figure out, okay, let's look. Okay. Okay, we got that off. Okay, that one's got play in it. Okay, so the idler pulleys are bad. You getting that? Okay. Okay. Okay, this one's bad because we got. Okay, that's bad. And okay, we got bad idler pulleys, but we won't be able to replace it today. So let me give him a. I still didn't get all that grease. Look at that. I still didn't get up in there. But let me stop it here. Let me get my nice chunk of grease. And let me go ahead and let me stop it here. I'll be right back. All right, I just got done speaking with the owner of the car. Now, what happened? All these pulleys are bad. See that? That's wiggling, so that's bad. The harmonic balancer is bad, and this pulley up here is bad. I can wiggle it, and then that was. We're gonna go ahead and replace all three pulleys. He don't got the money now, so this is gonna be a part two. We'll get this, and also what happened is you can see right here the CV axle. What happened? The CV axle boot came loose and it slung grease all up in the motor. So that's what I was cleaning off. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the belt on, and also it helped that I took a picture of it. So yeah, let me go ahead and I might have to stop and take another picture. I mean, not look at my picture, not take another look at my picture. Okay, so I think this goes like that, and I should have brought my, and this one will go okay. I think that's okay. Like that, and let's see. I think this goes from here like that. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. So okay. I think let me stop and we'll look at my picture and come back. Okay, I just got done looking at my picture. Okay, so this one's gonna go like this. So I'll kind of come under here. Come under here. Go ahead and hook it under that, and this is gonna go. Okay, let me take it off of this here and getting that. Okay, goes like that, and this one's gonna go like that. And now this one's gonna go under here like that, and then we'll come over here. I think I'm going to okay. I'm going to include the picture that I took of this before I took it off. So maybe that'll help somebody. Okay, so this is okay. Okay, let's see how we're gonna do it. We got it's 13 millimeters. Let's see how we're gonna do it. Next thing I come at it from a 13. That might not be enough. Okay, that might be enough. It's not enough movement. So I'm gonna have to take it off of here. Okay. Put it under here like that. Can we move it? Oh, shoot, I might even take it off here. Okay. Okay. And this is gonna be like that. I forgot. It's gonna go like that. Okay. And let's see. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, there you go. Go in there like that. Okay. Okay, almost got it. I have to reposition them. I gotta reposition them. There we go. Okay. Okay, put that there. And this will go. Okay. Let me rest my arm a little bit. Okay. that grease makes it nasty. Okay, we almost got it. Ooh, boy. Okay, now we got to get it up in here. Okay, look, we got it. Okay, it's on there. Okay, we got to get it up in here. Up on that pulley. Okay, and get another bite on it. Okay, there we go. Almost got it. His belt's a little too small. Okay, let me see. Let me see if I do it like this. Take it off of this one. And then come down here. Okay. Okay, now we just come up here. There we go. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, got that on there. Okay, a little bit of a fight. So anyway, make sure it's good. Make sure they're all on there. Okay. So we got these three pulleys, harmonic balancer, and now I'm going to switch over and take the pressure washer and pressure wash this, and then I'll be back. Okay, just rough stuff here. Okay, grease everywhere. Okay, boy, it's brutal up there. I wish I would have seen that earlier. I'm getting grease everywhere. So, look at all that on the ground. Try to get as best I can. Okay, I think get up in here. Okay. Ooh, it's a lot better. Wish I would have done it earlier. So the issue was the pulleys are bad, the harmonic balancer is bad, and then this boot here broke and it slung grease all up in the compartment there. All right, I'm gonna stop it here and then go over and try to go over as much as I can. So when it come back to me, it won't be as greasy. All right. Look at that water. And this is the you know, I did it at first, and of course I missed all the other grease because I didn't know this. I didn't realize the CV axle was busted. So this is the second wash I did on. Look at that. I'm gonna do some more. I'll put that water. All right, stop it here. All right, this is the one we got from the junkyard. I'm just gonna clean it off right here. Clean it off overall. Oh shoot. Clean that off. Wipe it off real good. In case there's any leaks, we'll see it. I'll stop it here. All right, now I'm up top here. I'm gonna remove this here. See. The goal is to remove the tube without wasting the stuff here. So we're gonna have let me get move that over here. Hopefully. I wanna got the towels around it. Yeah, go that way. I put it on a little tighter. Okay, get that ready. Okay, and I'm gonna pull it. I just removed the clips before I start recording. So I'm gonna pull this one up. See what happens. Hopefully. Okay. 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 Now, well, I gotta. It's gonna waste. So I gotta go get. I'll do this screw. I gotta go and get a 10 millimeter and loosen that up. Dang. All right, let me stop it here. All right, got his moon wrench comes in handy. There we go. I need to get this guy. Something wrong with the selector. Yeah, I see what okay, let me stop it here. All right, I just tightened that back up. I think there was a little clip back here. Let's see. Shoot. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay. Okay, that's how you do it. So I didn't need to remove that. I thought, okay. Okay, let's put that back in there. Learn something new every day. Okay, so now we're going to try to not to waste any. Okay, so I'm going to pull it here. Boy, why is it so hard coming off? Man. Oh boy. Okay. Now we're finna put the new one on. The new junkyard one on. Okay. And we're gonna put that back in there like that. Let me tighten this up here. So it's a little clipper you had to press back. I just so. Okay. Okay. And now I'm going to clamp this back in there like that. Okay. We're going to hook up our new from the junkyard hose. Okay, there, just tore my good gloves. All right, it'll be done in a little bit. I'm warning the owner just walked up, so I put the new hose on. I didn't waste any fluid, so yeah. Nah. I had to come up with a strategy. Just you can just take it off, But yeah. Okay, so we just want to show that. Now I'm gonna put the wheel on. We'll be ready to rock.
I ain't bothering you. I'm just
I know.
over it down.
Yeah, it'll be done in a little bit.
After today, I'm gonna want you to handle every business you just talked about.
Okay, yeah, we'll get on that, So, okay, so that's your new hose, and here's your old hose right here. What do I do with that, Mom? Oh, here we go. Right here. That's your old.
Look like it was juice.
Huh?
Do it look like it was seeping out of there or something?
Well, we're gonna run it for a couple of days and we'll just see. You know, that's all you can do is just run it and see. You know, I can't tell nothing just about a car sitting here.
Right.
So we just run now. I'm gonna put. I just get all that grease off from under there. All right.
I don't want to be in your way.
Okay. Okay. So this job is basically done. I'm gonna put the tire on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some pictures of the serpentine belt in case that it helps somebody for the 09 Nissan Maxima with the V6 engine. So at the end of this clip, I'm going to show the pictures of the serpentine belt. So in case that it might help somebody. All right, we got this 09 Nissan Maxima here. We got a charging issue on it. Actually coming through this is plugged into the ODD2 port, so it's putting out 10.7, but coming straight off the battery, it's putting out 9.1. So you're looking at a weak alternator, and I replaced the ends on it. And also it has you got a high fuel trim, but it looks like you had a guy, he put some silicone. You see right there where the intake manifold gasket used to upper and used to lower. That could be caused by vacuum leak right there. So we're gonna take some. Look at this here. What is that? I found it. That's our vacuum leak right there. You're not supposed to have that. No, wait a minute. Yep. No, that shouldn't matter right there. That shouldn't matter because that's okay. That's not, it only matters when you get here because you got your mass airflow sensor. So once it's past here, if you have any extra air coming in, it'll throw a code or it'll give you high fuel trim. So we're looking at right here, there's upper and lower intake manifold leak. It's causing that vacuum leak. We'll take some further look into it. So we're looking at a weak alternator and battery terminals